Hey guys, welcome to the channel, The Mayfields Unscripted. I'm Casey.
And I'm Tana.
And we are super excited. This is the first video that we're posting to the channel. And it's gonna be about our road trip down to sunny southern Utah for our first family trip of summer 2023. Now, another reason that we've made this channel is to give you guys a realistic review of some of the areas that we venture out to, the amenities, the facilities, and what it's like to carry a 45-foot fifth wheel through some of those areas. A link to our first review will be posted here. So, babe, tell them where we're going for our first trip.
We are headed to Goblin Valley State Park and the Lake Powell area. It won't be our first time to either one of these areas, but this year will be a bit different for us as we will be traveling with our newborn baby Autumn, as well as our two older kids, Aliana and Brentley. We will be taking both vehicles as I tow the boat and Casey tows the fifth wheel with the Razor in it, and the kids will ride with me to help with the baby as much as possible. However, we still will have to make additional stops for feedings and dirty diapers.
So with that, I guess let's get the video started. This is Tana's new 2023 Jeep Grand Wagoneer Series 3, and this was the first time we towed the boat with it. It has a towing capacity of 10,000 pounds, so a significant step up from our Jeep Grand Cherokee. Good morning, guys. Getting ready to head for a quick little run this morning. I said that I will try to be a little bit more active during our summer breaks. So this is my commitment to you all to start doing that. We're gonna see how well I do. I'm not gonna go too far, maybe just a mile. If I can do that, we'll see how it goes, but it seems like the kids are up. I'm normally the first one up. Look at this we have going on up there. Good morning. Let's see, they got a pretty good view out here. Yeah, it's looking pretty good so far. Try to get out here and stretch and then hit the road. There's Goblin Valley over there. Be heading there after my run. I gotta say, I'm pretty proud of myself. I was aiming for 1 mile and I came out and did 4, so that was unexpected. Now, don't get me wrong, I didn't run all 4, but I ran about 2.5, and then the other was sprints with minor breaks like a minute break between each session. But whew, man, that was killer. But it's so beautiful out here, so motivated, had the music going, it's just extra motivated. Let's get the day started now.
Hey, are you excited to go get in the razor? Yes?
We'll be here for 9 hours. All right, we made it to Little Wild Horse. It's a place, while I was over in Goblin Valley, somebody told me to visit with the kids, so we're gonna go check it out and see what it's like.
Here we go. These bathrooms smell great.
How's it walking back there with the kid?
Good. She's telling me stories.
So, and then he was like, "Pachow!" That's what she
She's
said.
got the easiest ride.
Yeah, must be nice. Wish I had somebody carrying me, but here's what it is. How you doing? Your hair is outstanding. Turn around, Mom. Can you make it?
Yes.
I'm gonna go that way.
I was like, what the heck is happening?
Oh, dropped something.
Oh,
made it back. It's 1.8 miles from the sign to the end of the first slot canyon. Autumn did great. This is a must-have for the babies. Kept her cool and calm, and Carrier did well. She did great. Only thing was poopy diapers out there, or diapers in general, having to lay them down and change her on a rock. She did fine, but finding a flat space was interesting. Oh, lovely, Brene. And when they spit up all over you.
Yay!
She's happy to be out. She napped most of the time.
All right, guys, thanks for watching our video. Really hope you enjoyed it. A lot of work went into it, so
Be sure to like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell for all future content.